Hello, for all of you who don't know me, my name is Ivan Mandic and I'm game developer and programmer. So what I was doing from the last episode, I have rewrite the whole engine, and the reason for that is that old code was ugly and messy and parts of it were written in C and it just sucked. So what I did is I have write everything from the ground up in C++. So right now everything is objectly oriented, it's just beautiful and I love it. So right now there is totally new timer in the engine that is much faster than the old one. Also, since I was writing everything in C++ from the beginning, I was able to use standard library vector that's allowing me to dynamically change memory allocated for the objects. So that is a great improvement. Except from improving everything, there are a few new things in the engine, and first of those that I will show to you are the panels. Panels are meant for GUIs and stuff like that, stuff that camera will not affect. In general, pretty similar to entities. They can be created and removed dynamically, that means in real time, and that gives me more flexibility. So this is the panel demo, and we're beginning to say the frame rate is usually insanely huge, but while I'm capturing the video is locked to the 60 and it's actually jumping from the 60 to the 59 or opposite, however you want to say it. But okay, now you can see this nice stylized panel, almost K, but it isn't, it's just enough. So it actually contains only basic information like frame rate, number of things, strings 1, 2, 3, 4, panels and entities. Entities will not be in this demo. In the same episode will, but not in this demo. So we have here two buttons. So you can see while I'm moving across them, they're actually getting green. So in general, this is only one bitmap. I'm just changing the color of it as I move my cursor across it. So what happens if I click it? Now yes, in every frame I will get a new panel on the screen, so you can see the panel number increasing while I'm holding this. It's cool. So these panels are actually white, and the same method, I use the same method as for these buttons. I'm just changing their color. This one can remove entities, but removing system is not working as I would like it to work, but it will work soon. I just didn't give it so much time. It's working, but not on the way I would like it, so let's try it. Yes, you see that there are no entities. So I can do it again and remove it again, and right now engine can actually render a pretty much huge number of these two-dimensional panels. So you can see how the number of entities is rising and the frame rate is still the same. I know this can go forever. Yeah, and that's cool. So that's pretty much it of this demo. Continue with the episode. I hope you did notice that the panels were transparent, and they were transparent on a little bit nicer way, and the reason for that is because I have implemented the loader for TGA files, and TGAs are 32-bit bitmaps, so they support alpha channel, and what alpha channel allows me is to set a different alpha value for each and every pixel. Now to explain this a little bit better, if you have ever work with 24-bit bitmaps, drawing something with paint or something like that, you probably know that you can set amount of red, green and blue of each pixel from 0 to 255. Now each of those numbers is saved in its own byte, and if you don't know, 8 bits is actually 1 byte, and 3 times 8 is 24, and that is why the 24-bit bitmap is called ugly, because every pixel contains 24 bits. Now, by giving additional 8 bits or 1 byte, you are giving another value that you can set for each pixel, and that is alpha value. Alpha value determines how much the pixel will be transparent.